Ever dreamt of swimming with whale sharks, hiking through lush rainforests? Imagine the thrill of being up close with these gentle giants, feeling the rush of adventure as you trek through verdant landscapes. These experiences are more than just activities, they are life-changing moments that connect you deeply with nature. Spotting rare birds in their natural habitat? Picture yourself quietly observing the vibrant colors and unique behaviors of these elusive creatures. It's a serene yet exhilarating experience that brings you closer to the wonders of the natural world. Ecotourism offers a chance to experience the world's wonders while making a real difference. By participating in conservation efforts, you contribute to preserving these beautiful landscapes and species for future generations. It's a fulfilling way to travel, knowing that your adventures are helping to protect the planet. It's about more than ticking destinations off a list. It's about immersing yourself in the local culture, understanding different ways of life, and forming genuine connections with the people you meet. These interactions enrich your travel experience and broaden your perspective. It's about connecting with nature, respecting local cultures, and leaving a positive impact. Sustainable travel ensures that the places you visit remain unspoiled and vibrant for years to come. By adopting eco-friendly practices, you become a steward of the environment, making every journey meaningful and responsible. Simply put, ecotourism is responsible travel to natural areas. It's about minimizing your impact while maximizing your experience. Think sustainable lodges, locally sourced meals, and guided tours that educate and inspire. It's about choosing experiences that benefit both the environment and local communities. It's about becoming a steward of the planet, not just a visitor. Traditional tourism can put a strain on delicate ecosystems and cultures. Ecotourism offers a more sustainable alternative. By supporting eco-friendly businesses, we contribute to conservation efforts, preserve biodiversity, and empower local communities. It's a win-win for everyone, especially our planet. Ecotourism in action, from Costa Rica to the Scottish Highlands. This journey takes us from the lush, vibrant rainforests of Costa Rica to the rugged, breathtaking landscapes of the Scottish Highlands. Costa Rica, a pioneer in ecotourism, has transformed its rainforest into a thriving ecotourism destination. The country is renowned for its rich biodiversity and commitment to conservation. Visitors can zip-line through the canopy, hike to hidden waterfalls, and immerse themselves in the natural beauty that Costa Rica has to offer. The experience is both thrilling and educational. They also have the opportunity to learn about conservation efforts firsthand, guided by knowledgeable locals who are passionate about preserving their environment. Scotland, with its rugged highlands and pristine lochs, offers a different kind of ecotourism experience. Here visitors can hike, kayak, and explore the vast, unspoiled wilderness. The Scottish Highlands are home to a variety of wildlife, and ecotourists can spot animals in their natural habitats while staying in eco-friendly lodges. These accommodations are designed to minimize environmental impact, providing a sustainable way to enjoy the stunning scenery. Beyond the natural beauty, visitors can also immerse themselves in the local culture, enjoying traditional Scottish music and cuisine. This blend of nature and culture makes the Scottish Highlands a unique ecotourism destination. Your green adventure awaits. Pack your bags and your conscience. Ecotourism offers a chance to reconnect with nature, experience different cultures, and immerse yourself in the beauty of our planet. It's not just about seeing new places, but about experiencing them in a way that respects and preserves their natural and cultural heritage. By choosing ecotourism, you can make a positive impact on the environment and local communities. Whether it's planting trees, cleaning up beaches, or helping to build community centers, your actions can contribute to a better world. It's about traveling with purpose, knowing that your journey can help protect the places you visit. It's about making conscious choices that benefit both you and the planet. From choosing eco-friendly products to staying in sustainable accommodations, every decision counts. Refusing single-use plastics and supporting local businesses are just a few ways you can travel responsibly. So next time you plan a trip, consider the ecotourism path. Research destinations that prioritize sustainability and make a plan to travel in a way that minimizes your environmental footprint. It's an adventure that benefits both you and the planet. Happy travels!